Alright, so this is box number 2. First one we got like 2 war banners. I think I read that thing. There's no really like guaranteed anything in the box. It's just based on pack odds, so nothing really guaranteed here. So we'll just see what else we get. I think this is the Horadric Cube. We should get all 6 in all 6 in the box. At least 6 in the box for the Horadric Cube thing, but which I couldn't create. It's too hard for me, so we'll see how this goes. I'll open it a little bit faster here. There's a lot of cards to go through, so Johanna, we're gonna get a lot of dupes from the first one. Here's the Horadric Cube. We're gonna get 6 of those. The blue parallel, Zeros Inarius. Let's see, we get a lot of parallels here, so let's see what we get. Oh, we got one of these Innkeeper collections. We got 2 of those in the last box. They come with like 3 mini cards each. We'll open that up at the end of the video. It looks like we got something here too. What is that? Oh, here's the War Banner Protus. That looks nice. We got the Johanna Spectral parallel and Uther. We got 2 of those war banners last time. Let's see if maybe it's the same thing per box. 2 per box, maybe. Alright, RPM Racing. This is the silver parallel. The green parallel. Leah and more Wildhammer. Bunch of base here. Try to go quicker because last video was like 20 minutes, so it's a bit long. So we'll speed things up here. Hopefully we can get the full set here. Garish, Horadric Cube, another Garish blue, or rare, I guess what they call that. Call that in parallel. What's this here? Congratulations. Oh my, what's that mean? What is that? What is it? Oh, what? Out of 75. What's that so crazy? Triple Diamond Realm Lords. Wow. This is a nice card. It looks like there's 3 diamonds. Triple diamond. Probably not real diamonds. I don't know. The Snake God Ka. 3 diamonds. We hope you enjoyed this unique piece of trading card history as we continue to keep you as close as you can get. Enjoy your diamond card. Wow, that's a nice card. Pretty. I'll keep that down here. I'll sleeve those up later. I don't have sleeves or top loaders for thick cards yet. I'm still waiting for it to come in. Lucio. Lost Vikings, Brightwing on a silver foil, silver Pillar Dark Wanderer green. Alright, so that was probably the hit of the box, that triple diamond. But it says there's no like, I mean, I guess it's all pack out, so you can basically pull anything anytime. Kill this. I'm not really sure about that. I don't know. Sigma. Another silver. Valera. Green. Tyrant. And some base cards. Yeah, I'm liking the Diablo Warcraft. Sophia, Rainer, Horadric Cube, May, Zoljin, and Imperius. And that triple diamond, I'm still pretty stoked about that triple diamond out of 75. I'll show that at the end of the video again. Murky, Tyrael, Diva, alright, Diva. Probably my favorite character out of Overwatch. Diva and Junkrat. I'll take that. Green. That's cool. Medivh. And the last box, I didn't get any number card, no number card at all. This is just like a fresh case from the store too, so they just got it, and I came in like 5 minutes later to pick it up. My Shadow Song, Horadric Cube, Mephisto. I'll show those at the end. Ooh, this was a nice one. Chromish Hellscream with the rare parallel artist. That last one too. So the last one had like some cards that were backwards, but it ended up being just base cards that were backwards, which is kind of weird. So we'll see what we get. We got another War Banner, Zerg. Killed this. Parallel. And these war banners are pretty cool. Enjoy your memorabilia. Queen of Blades. Yes, yes, yes. Boom. We got Reaper, Sylvanas, Emotes, Zarya, Crush You. Can we get it showing going the other way? Boom. Yeah, I thought they were going left to right, but actually going up and down. Crush You. Green. Boom. Cho'Gall. Probably one of the most OP character in Heroes of the Storm. But you need 2 characters to play him though. You need 2 players to play. You can't play solo. Lost Vikings. Winston. BlizzCon. It's a cool card. Bridget. Green. And some Warcraft base cards. Ooh, Hanzo. Overwatch. Roadhog. Ooh, got the silver one of this. Looks Anduin. That's a nice picture right there. Lunara. Green. From Heroes of the Storm. Lilith from Diablo. Diablo-ish. Malferon, Lyra, another Horadric Cube, Winston Blue, Thrall, and SCV. The last few packs here. Lunara, Moradin, Reinhardt, with the ultimate ready. Green Sadia from Diablo, Uther, and Raynor. Tyrannu, Muradan, BlizzCon card for Overwatch. Basically a bit of everything there. The green Maeve and Articus. 2 more packs. Should be getting another Horadric Cube soon, I think. Bridget, Rexar. There's the cube. Oh, the butcher. There we go. The butcher. The blue. Malthal. And Zoltan Kill. I like that butcher card. It's pretty awesome. The Diablo's art has been pretty awesome. Innkeepers, here's the second one, which is looks like 2 a box here. And Marine Green. Alright, let's do a recap here. Alright, so a recap here, we got just green parallels, the blue parallels. These are the Spectral and the silver parallels, which is a little bit nicer here. If you look it through the with the light, it looks pretty cool. This one's a nice picture art right here too, with Anduin fighting Sylvanas. There you go. Some of the inserts. Diva. These are like the Overwatch ultimates. Emotes. BlizzCon. Reynard. Ultimate. Another BlizzCon. We got the Horadric cubes. So we're supposed to take these out and make a cube with it, but I failed in the last one, so I'm not going to attempt it again. But I got 2 of these in the Rio. Boyle, Mephisto, Diablo, Lilith. We got the war banners, which looks like 2 a box. Protus and Zerg. That's pretty nice banner here. And I guess the hit of the box was this Triple Diamond Realm Lords Ka out of 52 out of 75. I mean, just the feel of it too. I mean, that's a nice card. It's a little bit heavy, a little thicker, and looks pretty nice. Triple Diamond. I didn't even check the odds for that yet. And we got these Innkeeper collections, so I'll just open it up and see what we get here. I think these come with 3 mini cards. I'm not sure if there's anything special about these cards or anything, like with the numbered parallels or anything. They're just 3 cards. So let's see if we can get these out. Elise Starseeker, Shrivla the Tiger, and this one I got that one in the last box. Priestess Velish J. And the last one, what's that? Wax a Dread. Wax a Dread. If I can pull these apart. Varden Dawn Grasp. And Vandar Stormpike. So these are pretty neat mini cards. But yeah, that was the second box. I mean, it had some pretty good hits. So that was the second box. So thanks for watching, and you guys have a great night. Thanks for watching.